Unlock your Instagram account after being disabled. Let's get started. Instagram typically disables account for violating its community guidelines or terms of service, which could include actions like spamming, use third-party apps, or inappropriate content. You will usually receive a message informing you of the reason for the account disablement when you try to log in. You can submit an appeal through the app. Open the Instagram app and try to log in. If you see a message that says your account has been disabled, tap on Learn More. Follow the instructions provided to submit an appeal. You will likely be asked to fill out a form explaining why you believe your account was disabled by mistake. Next up, use the Instagram Help Center. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in help.instagram.com. Once you're in the Help Center of Instagram, in the search box, type in Disabled Instagram Account. Click on that topic. Now click on the option of Visit this page. You will be directed to this page. Now click on the option My account was disabled. Now go ahead and type in the username, email address, or the phone number that was linked with your account. Then click on Next. Now you have to select why was your account disabled. You can select this option, My account was hacked and they disabled my account. Next up, they will ask you to verify your identity. Once you do that, you'll need to provide new email address or phone number to link with your account. After you do that, you will get access to your Instagram account. Instagram typically takes several days to review appeals and activate accounts, but this can vary depending on the volume of requests. Be patient and check your email for updates from Instagram. If your appeals are unsuccessful or you don't hear back, you can try contacting Instagram support through social media or third-party sources to escalate your case. By following the steps, you should be able to recover a disabled Instagram account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.